Welcome. This session will guide you to the great power of letting go. Get into a relaxing position so that all of your muscles can relax and let go. Feel yourself beginning to relax. We all know that holding on to things can make us feel bad. But did you know that it can halt our growth, pushing our dreams and goals further away from our grasp? Take in a big, deep breath. And as you let the breath go, feel your body sinking down into the chair or bed, relaxing. Breathe in deeply again, as full as you can, and let the breath go, relaxing you even more. Take another nice breath in, and as you exhale, say you are ready to let it go, because you are here right now. You have made the decision to let go. You have decided to stop reliving the past so that you can move on and achieve your dreams. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, say to yourself, I am willing to let this go. Good. Now bring into your mind something that has been troubling you. It can be something recent or something that happened long ago. Allow yourself the respect to feel these emotions tied to these troubles. Remember, if you suppress your emotions, they may wreak havoc on your body and mind until you do. Breathe in fully and deeply. If you allow yourself to cry over these troubles, this releases chemicals in your body that will aid in removing any stuck pains. Think of those things that have hurt you. If you can, cry now. Allow it. Experience crying. Let the tears wash away your stress. If you cannot cry now, find a time when you are ready and let it all out. Now breathe deeply again and imagine those things that are troubling you being washed away down a river. Just see them slowly going into the distance, leaving you forever. Good. And even though these things that you need to let go of cause you pain and hurt, can you smile and give a laugh at these worries? Find something good about the situation. Experience laughter because you have let it go and sent it away. nice. Whenever you are ready, open your eyes and remember to cry and laugh in order to make your emotions fluid rather than getting stuck.